If you love coffee, branding and marketing, starting a coffee brand with Printify might just be your favorite job ever. And the best part is that you can build something like this without having to hold any inventory upfront and invest thousands of dollars. So let's get it done. In this video, I will walk you through the entire process of starting a coffee brand with Printify. The brand idea, the name, the logo direction, the visual identity, choosing and designing the products, ordering samples, testing the coffee, creating content with it, and more. First things first, we're starting with the brand idea. If you didn't know, Printify also supports products such as coffee, supplements, vitamins, skincare, jewelry, and so much more apparel things, products that you need. The first thing I would do is go to Printify and check out their catalog and see the coffee that they have. And first off, you will need to create the design for the packaging and then order samples so you can actually have them with the packaging as well. So with buying coffee online, we are talking about just coffee beans that you add into your coffee machine and have your coffee at home. This is what most of us do anyways. So when you're creating a coffee brand, you're not just selling the coffee in itself, because you can find that in every store. You're selling the feeling of the brand, you're selling everything else about the brand. So people buy coffee for comfort, routine, energy, aesthetic, lifestyle, and identity. So the first thing that you need to ask yourself is, what type of coffee is it? For example, you can build a cozy feminine coffee brand, or a minimalist premium coffee brand, a funny Gen Z coffee brand, a wellness coffee brand, a productivity one, a mom coffee brand, or a slow morning aesthetic coffee brand. So this really depends on the angle that you want to take with your brand and the vision that you have for it. So that being said, we are starting with our visual identity. We're picking a niche, an exact target client, a name for the brand, a logo, the color palette, and the vibe of the brand, the feeling that the brand will give off. So now let me give you a full real example of a full coffee brand identity. For example, a cozy, soft, premium coffee brand for women who romanticize their mornings. The vibe is calm, warm, elegant, slightly feminine, minimal but emotional. And this is where your content will matter the most, the kind of content that you can create to be educational, to offer value, but also to make coffee look aesthetic and really nice and to make you want to buy the product. So for example, for possible brand names, you can have First Light Coffee, Golden Hour Coffee, Sunday Pour, Velvet Morning. So for example, you can go with Morning News. And for the logo, it is really easy to use ChatGPT to create such a logo, for example. And we're going to use it to also help us create the packaging. So you're going to go into Printify, and after you've created your color palette, the type of colors that you want on your packaging, you're going to need to go to Printify, see the exact product, and add the design to it. Check the design requirements. So we're going into Printify and we're trying to design the packaging. But first things first, as I said, you check out the product, you see exactly what you need for it. You will find the coffee really easily by just going to Home and Living, Food, Health, Beauty. And here you have the supplements, and then you can have coffee. So you have Rock Creek Coffee Blend, medium roast, and the coffee information will remain on the packaging. You just design everything else. So this is how it will look. Start designing, and here's how the packaging will look. And you can download the design template, because it is really important that you have the design template here, so you can know exactly where you need to add text, where you need to add everything else that you need, so you can design this. So this is the full size that you need to upload to Printify. It will tell you the resolution and everything, the print area, blend area. This is the blend area, and then the print area as well, so you know exactly what you need to do. And you have the background color that can be in multiple colors as well. Let's try and create this just as an example. I want to see how it looks. You can make it bigger. Obviously you can add your logo somewhere here. You can make it more interesting, but I really want to see how it looks. And then when you click preview, you can see how it will look. So yes, you can do a floral type of brand for women. You can have floral packaging for the coffee, and I will show you more of that. So what I would do is create one packaging style for your entire brand, but choose every single product that Printify has, because they have medium roast, light roast, and whatever, so you can pick more options to add to your store. So you can add your logo at the top, the blend name, a simple tagline like for slow, beautiful mornings, minimal, elegant design, and soft, neutral colors for this brand idea. You can also name your products like First Sip, Golden Roast, Soft Start, Dawn Blend, and more. So you can make it unique and perfect for your brand. So inside Printify, that is where you create a packaging, you preview, and you get a mock-up of your products. You add them to your catalog. You order samples as well, so you can create content and actually taste the coffee, make content with it, and also customize your listing. So connect your store inside Printify and customize the title, description, and decide how much the retail price is going to be and see how much profit you're going to make per sale. So you order the samples and you get them at home, and then you start creating content with it. What I suggest is super aesthetic content, creating iced coffee, creating regular lattes, just creating simple espressos, and then maybe doing a caramel latte, and trying all types of coffee and putting the accent on this part of the brand with slow mornings and drinking your coffee at home, having a beautiful chill morning, and more. When samples arrive, make sure to take a look at the packaging if everything was printed properly in the proper place. So if you like that placement, keep it. If you don't, try to refine it until you truly enjoy the packaging and you like your brand. I feel like most people love drinking coffee, so creating content for it is not going to be hard. Other content ideas that you could do are like getting informed on the type of coffee that it is and providing value, speaking about coffee in general, what it does, how is it helpful for us, how much should we drink, and just creating content around this topic while making it look really good. And be consistent with the content, and when Printify adds multiple products like this, you can create them and add them to your site as well. You can create limited editions with different packaging styles and really try to keep your brand going and keep coming up with new things. So if you want to build your coffee brand, Printify is definitely something that you want to check out, because you don't have to worry about inventory, shipping costs. Printify does everything for you. All you need to do is create the brand and promote it on social media. Also create an email list for your brand and keep your audience engaged and those sales coming. So if you want to do that, make sure to go to the link below to get your Printify account started and get a special discount for your first order for up to $100. So this will help you get your first samples, create that content, and start your brand. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this brand idea and if you would start a coffee brand. If this video helped you, make sure to leave it a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!